Okay. Uh, Very good afternoon. This is Dr. Prenika Verma, Assistant Professor, PG Department of Sociology, uh, Punya University, Punya. The topic of my presentation is Third Gender, Hijra of India. Uh, First of all, we have to understand concept of sex and gender. What is sex and what is gender? In society, there is a general perception that sex and gender both terms can be used interchangeably. Although sex and gender seems to be closely related, yet they are different from one another. A famous anthropologist such as Margaret Mead argues that sex is a biological given and gender is a social construct. The term gender refers to the ways the people act or feel about themselves as men and women according to the rules constructed by the society for men and women. In simple words, we can say that sex can be differentiated into male and female, while gender can be differentiated into masculine and feminine. Sex as a male or female is assigned at the time of birth according to the internal and external anatomy, but gender describes the socially constructed roles, activity, behavior, and attributes that a social consider appropriate for men and women. Society consider appropriate for men and women. Differences between transgender and hijra. In India, the term transgender is quite challenging, or can be said that the term is not very clear to understand. The confusion prevails because of many reasons. One of the reason is that it's Western origin, also due to the male to female MTF or female to male binary, and also because of numerous category falling under the umbrella term transgender. There is a major difference between India's hijra identity and other transgender identity in Western countries. In Western countries, transgender is not fully accepted in every Western countries. Whereas in India, hijras are accepted as the third gender. All hijra are all hijra are transgender, but all transgender are not hijra. And both transgender and hijras are comes in the category of third gender according to 2014 Supreme Court verdict. Hijra are South Asian terms and are describing South Asian culture. In hijra, intersex people are also involved. They are neither males nor females. The identity of hijra is from their hijras communities. Hijras consider themselves to take rebirth by getting the castration done through a religious act called nirvan. The castration involves cutting off a male genital organs. Transgender identify themselves by gender orientation, not as a male of a member of community. Uh, uh, if I defining hijra of India, then it would say that the word hijra is an Urdu word derived from the Arabic root hij, in the sense of leaving one's tribe, and has been borrowed into Hindi. The Urdu and the Hindi word hijra may alternatively be romanized as hijra, hijra, and many others. The Indian usage has traditionally been translated into English as eunuch or hermaphrodite, like kinnar. Although hijra is born in the category of being male, they are not really males, but some kinds of in between. Defining hijra as not a man start with the fact that they are usually impotent or incomplete men. When focusing primarily on the anatomical characteristics of hijra, their penis is usually either imperfect or absent, but being impotent and having stunned genital is only a necessary but not sufficient condition for being a hijra to be a real hijra. Uh, Types of third gender. Serena Nanda, a prominent sociologist and anthropologist, called said that identify four broad categories into which hijras fit: impotent or emasculated men, castrated individual, hermaphrodite, and female who do not menstruate. It is noticed that the terminology of the third gender for different types of third gender in India used as follow: Buchra, Abua, Chibara, Nilma, Mansa, and Hansa. Buchra is who the third gender are the hijra who are by birth hijra, and Abua is fake third gender. Chibra is castrated third gender, and Nilima is partial developed of sex organ due to any other accident, reason they become the third gender are called Nilima. And Mansa is psychologically considered themselves as a female, is called Mansa, and the Hansa is a impotence one. It is clear from the result that most of the hijra even don't know how many types of hijra are there. Thank you so much.